Hey, let's connect a Bluetooth device to our PC. So there's a few ways of how you can actually get started. The first step is the quick settings method. Now, the fastest way on the Windows 11 is through your taskbar. If you click to the group of icons into the bottom right, like it appears directly inside here, you want to look for the Bluetooth icon. Don't just click it. You want to click into this small arrow next to it. This will be opening up a list of available devices instantly once you turn this on. If your device is in pairing mode, it should show up right here. Just click directly into the Bluetooth and you are done. Now, something else that you can do, for example, is that if this doesn't appear into your taskbar, well, you need to enable this directly into the settings menu. So I'm going to click into my settings. Down here, if you don't see the settings into your bar, I'm going to go for search and just type the word settings, and here is my best match. Once I am directly into my settings, I'm going to go into the left section that says Bluetooth and devices. Now click the large plus button that says add device button and just select the Bluetooth from the actual list. As you can see, we have three different options: a Bluetooth audio device, mice, keyboards, phones, pens, controllers. We have the wireless display dock, or everything else such as Xbox controllers with wireless adapters, DLNA, and so much more. So just click the actual Bluetooth device, open your element, make sure the main blue toggle is turned on, and hit the big add device button and select the top option that says Bluetooth. And once your device pops up, click into the follow any on-screen prompts to finish the actual pairing. Depending on the actual device that you currently have, you might be having more prompts to focus on and continue. Now, just a pro tip that I can give you is that if your PC can't find your device, it's usually because the device is in pairing mode. So most headphones, for example, require you to hold the power button up to 7 seconds until the light flashes red and blue, something like that. So if that light isn't flashing, your PC won't see it no matter what you do. Something else that I can suggest you is that if you have an actual device that is brand new and you don't know absolutely anything about it, I can totally suggest you to look out for the actual Bluetooth device into your browser so you can know a little bit more about how to pair your devices directly into your computer. Usually they have an actual quick setup guide. So if this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. If still can't find your actual device, you can leave us a comment with the model name. I'm going to be helping you out. See you guys on the next one.